Hey guys, how's it going? Today we've got another cool horn to look at. So, we are looking at a K5H today. This is not the K5H that this video is about. I'm just using this horn as a stand-in. The one we're going to be talking about I recently sold before I could get it in on a video. So, you are going to see the full run-bys of the horn we're speaking of and the static test and all the photos. So, like I said, K5H. You have a 1, you've got a 2, a 3, a 4, and a 5. So a straight 3 and straight 4 for a K5H. The horn that we're looking at in the video today has been professionally vapor blasted. Now, vapor blasting is another type of media blasting, except vapor blasting, the media is suspended in water or some kind of liquid solution. It gives the horn a really, really nice finish, and just they look great. You'll see in the pictures, it's mint. So anyway, also with this K5H, that's different. It is a Square Tag K5H. With a Square Tag K5H, that is going to be like your mid-90s. They didn't make a lot of high-mount manifold Square Tag K5Hs. Usually it was a Square Tag, like a Square Tag K3LA or K5LA, all low mount. Now they did make them, and they made several of them, but they're just not very common. This horn also has a replacement number 5. It's actually a big bore number 5, so that's going to be your early 80s. So replacement number 5, that gives it a really good sound. It's a good sounding horn. This horn has, like I said, it's going to be completely vapor blasted, all new internals, everything is brand new on the horn. So anyway, that is really it on this horn. It's a nice sounding horn. So y'all enjoy this. This is the vapor blasted Square Tag K5H.